What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. Yesterday OnePlus rolled out ColorOS 12 Open Beta 2 for OnePlus 9 series. I've already installed it on my OnePlus 9, and if you guys want to check out the latest update of ColorOS, you can find the link of video in the description below. Make sure to check that video out because now you can install ColorOS 12 on global units too. And in this video, we'll be taking a look at some of the best features which have been added on ColorOS 12. Before starting the video, thank you so much guys for completing the like target of 300 likes on our previous video, and let's keep a same like target on this video too. And as you all know, we have 80% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel, so it's a humble request guys, make sure to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. And now let's take a look at the UI changes and some features of ColorOS 12 for OnePlus devices. So here you can see this is my OnePlus 9, which is currently running on the latest beta update of ColorOS, which is Open Beta 2 based on Android 12. And now if you take a look at the quick setting panel on ColorOS 12, this one is more organized than that of Oxygen OS. And we have lots of options here in the quick setting panel. I personally like the quick setting tile of ColorOS instead of Oxygen OS. Also now we have this new redesigned volume panel. Initially these were aligned vertically, now it has been shifted to horizontal way. In the quick setting panel itself, now we have the options to completely turn off the permissions of camera and microphone. So here we have quick setting tiles which can help you completely turn off the access to camera and microphone. Also, if camera or microphone is being accessed by any of the third-party application in the background, you will see this notification in the notification bar, or you can also see that in the status bar. In the status bar, it appears as a small dot, but if you swipe down the notification panel, you can see the icon of camera or microphone depending on what's being used in the background. And you can just tap on this icon, you'll see a new pop-up. Tapping on it, you can change the permissions of the camera application. Also, launcher itself comes with tons of customization options. You can check out the dedicated video made on this ColorOS launcher. I'll leave that video link in the description below. With the help of that video, you can see all the changes and new addition done in the ColorOS launcher. I do like some of the minor additions done to ColorOS, but they are really very useful. One of them is this smart slide bar, which can be triggered directly from the home screen. And in this there's a new feature, let me show you that first. And that feature is smart recommendation. So if you enable this option, it says smart slider will recommend action to you based on the app you are using. So like for example, before you go to the bed, you generally watch some videos on YouTube. So before your bedtime, the smart slider will show you the application in the smart slide bar. And after that, there are few more useful tools like Screen Translate. So if you want to translate anything from the web, just open the smart slide bar, tap on Screen Translate, and now just drag and adjust this frame depending on the content which you want to translate. And there you can see we have converted English language to Chinese. And what do you guys think? How useful is this feature? After that, we also have few more options. And one of my favorite is this pop-up window. So directly from the smart slide bar, I can open floating windows like this. And after that, I can also long press on the application or floating windows to move it around the screen. And floating windows works on most of the applications, but applications like camera doesn't support this feature. And then inside the settings, we have an option of special features. So here also some useful features can be seen like driving mode, kids mode, sleep mode, retouch appearance in the video calls. Here you can adjust the intensity of retouch from weak to strong. And one feature in special features which I like the most is this simple mode. And this feature I think will be very useful for elderly people who face difficulties in reading the smaller text. So just entering the simple mode will change the entire UI of the device. It will increase the font size, app icons, and many more. You can also see this also increases the size of quick setting panel. And it will also change the navigation gestures. And I do feel it will be a quite handy feature for elderly people. Now the battery section have also been redesigned with few new add-ons. So here you can see this is the new layout of battery section. And here on the graph, if your device sees high usage or more battery drain, then at that place you'll see orange color codes. That indicates that your device was heavily used or there was extra battery drain. And if it appears to be completely green, that means your device has been running normally. I get to see orange color coding when I do gaming. Also, as we all know, Android 12 is more focused on the privacy part. So here those changes can also be seen on ColorOS. So inside the settings, permission and privacy, here you can check the stuff like microphone, camera, location, contacts, which all applications have been using. If I tap on camera, you can see the Telegram application. Location is being used by Maps and Google Chrome, and contacts have been used by Messaging app, Telegram, Facebook, and Contact application. Also, you can allow or deny the necessary permission for every specific app. And another cool feature of ColorOS is this PC Connect feature. So I've made a dedicated video on this feature. I'll leave that video in the description below. This feature helps you connect a device to PC and you can have seamless access between your PC and your phone. Quite handy feature guys. Make sure to check out the video in the description below. And now let's talk about one of my favorite features which have been added on ColorOS 12. And that is this colors option, which you can find it in the personalization section. So if you guys are aware about Material You theming on Android 12 for Pixel devices, it kind of works similar, but not exactly like Android 12 from Google. So here, depending on the wallpaper you have selected, the device will change the accent color. So right now you can see the accent color, and here we have an option called wallpaper color picking. By selecting this option, and now here there are two ways of color picking. One is system will automatically decide, or if you want to adjust the color manually, you can move these dots depending on your selection and just tap on OK. And now you can see essence color of a device have been changed. For every different wallpaper, system will automatically decide the accent color. And now last but not the least, we also have a new feature of virtual RAM. So going to settings, about section, and here you can expand the RAM up to 5 GB. So you can see currently on my device I have 8 GB of RAM, and I think this feature only works with 8 GB RAM variant. And once you tap, here we get 3 options. You can expand the RAM to 2 GB, 3 GB or 5 GB. But if you have selected 5 GB, make sure you have that sufficient storage on your device. And this virtual RAM feature comes in play when your device completely runs out of the actual memory available on the device. And I personally don't think if I have an 8 GB variant, I'll soon anytime go out of the memory unless I'm not using 100 applications in the background. And if I try to use the 100 applications in the background, by default, system will optimize those applications and close them. So if I have to enjoy the virtual RAM feature, I have to disable all the optimizations and then give it a try on virtual RAM. So I'm planning a video on this guys, stay tuned. You guys soon gonna see a video about how useful is this feature of RAM expansion on ColorOS. So guys, these were some of the features which I do like on ColorOS. Also, you guys let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite one and whether that feature will be coming on OxygenOS or not. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys liked the video. If you liked the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.